Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can update latest Android version in mobile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So it's a very easy process. You simply need to go ahead, access your phone, and then go to the section of settings of your device. Then from over here, simply gonna go ahead, scroll and get the update information as well. But if you do not find, you can go to the search bar, type in software update, which will simply land over here. You can say device care software update, which you can check it out over here. And when you go back, then you can again go ahead, search software update, and go to this software update of this system. Then you can say download and install. So what you have to do is you can have it to auto download as well. So whenever there is a new update about your phone or new software update on your Android, it will automatically update. But if not been able to have an update, you simply go to software update itself and you will have a new version over listed. Tap on download and install, and the new software will be downloaded and installed and updated. That's all you have to do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.